Welcome to My Water. This video will show you how to apply for a well construction permit. For the best experience, we recommend completing your application on a desktop computer. If you have not set up an account yet, please watch our previous video linked in the description. To begin, log in to the customer portal using your account details. Once on your dashboard, select the Start New Application button at the top of the screen. From the pop-up menu, click Water Affecting Activity Permits and then choose Well Construction Permit Application. Before proceeding, please read through the general disclaimer. Check the box to accept the terms and click Continue Application to start. Select one of the existing holders listed. If you need to create a new holder, simply click the Continue Application button. You can click Save and Resume later at any time to pause your progress. Select the type of work you are proposing from the options listed. For this demonstration, we will select Construct a New Well. Enter the address or property details for the proposed well. Zoom in and use the Move button to precisely place the pin on the map. Next, complete the required well details, including the intended use of the water, the proposed depths, and the construction method. Depending on your selections, additional fields may appear. Please ensure all required questions are answered. You also have the option to add more wells to this application if needed. You can now attach any documents that provide details of the works or support your application, such as plans and photos. For each attachment, specify its type and include a brief description. Attachments are optional for this permit. Please review your application details carefully. If you need to make changes, click the Edit button next to any section to return to that step. Once you are satisfied, read and accept the final disclaimer. The system will display your application fees before redirecting you to a secure portal to finalise your payment. Once payment is complete, you will receive a confirmation email with your application number. Processing typically takes 15 business days, but can take up to 60 days depending on location and land status. We will notify you via email as soon as a decision has been made regarding your application. If you need any further help, feel free to contact our water licensing staff.